Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Join us in this video as we explore how to create hilarious and viral memes right from the convenience of your own smartphone. We'll walk you through the easy-to-repeat steps and techniques to craft memes that will have everyone laughing. So, in the beginning, you will need to download and install the IMG Flip app from the Google Play Store, or if you have an iOS device, open the following website. You can see the link right on your screen. Here you will find the templates for all popular memes. So now select the template and start creating one. So now let's go ahead, launch the app and create a meme. Here you have a bunch of different tools and functions at your disposal. Keep in mind that some of them are only available to the signed up users, so create an account, or you can just log in using your Google email address and the account will be created automatically. So here let's begin by trying this AI meme feature out. So just write what meme you would like for it to generate or to craft. I'll go with Game of Thrones meme. It's not very original, but well, still. So as you can see, it used this template here with Drake. Now you can save this meme if you want to. You can also select another template and it will regenerate this meme, regenerate your prompt using the selected template. As you can see, it does its job just fine. You can also move the text around as you wish. Here you also have the make a meme, or just a regular manual tool. All that you gotta do is select what template you would like to use, like this one here. Then you'll have this text field depending on which template you went with. So here I have 4, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here I have 2, but I think I'll be pretty well off using 1. I'm once again asking for what? For my salary to be increased, for example. That's not so funny, but I'm not the best meme creator, so I'm apologizing. And as you can see, I've actually used the wrong field. In order for my text to appear here, I've needed to use the text to box, but that's fine. I can just cut the text from here and move it below. And the text should be automatically formatted to match this place here, hopefully. Yep, here it is. You can also open the more options section and, well, change those preferences. You can press on the AI generator and access it from here. Apply effects, blur, for example, or vice versa, sharpen your image, enable the grayscale filter, and so on. As you can see, the options are pretty vast. You can modify your meme, change its preferences, make it private if you wish, remove the IMG Flip watermark, but in order for it to work, you gotta buy the subscription. So it's $4 a month, and that's up to you to decide. Here you also have some inspiration, should I say, but also provide you with an ideas on how to improve your meme, or maybe just show you an alternative versions of it. So you'll have more tools at your disposal, should I say. What else there is to this app? Let's get back to the main page. You can make a GIF, chart, or even old good demotivator. My favorite type of memes. Like this one here, for example. So, I guess as far as creating memes go, that'll be it. So, I will simply sign out. Once the meme is made, all that is left to do is to download and share it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.